marks the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and we are here at Sri Guru Singh Sabha Alsur Gurudwara. People are here and they are celebrating this auspicious occasion here, and we can see there are different activities, different events going on here. And now let's talk to the people here and know more about this auspicious occasion. We have with us Jasbir Singh Rodi, who is the president of Alsur Gurudwara. Now let's talk to him and know more about this occasion. Sir, can you tell us today what is the significance of today, and how is this occasion going on here?
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we are celebrating the 555th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. As you know, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji is the founder of Sikhism and the first Guru. Sikhism started with his thought and his teachings. At a very early age, at the age of 30, he got a revelation, and the first thing that Guru Nanak said, there is no Hindu, there is no Musliman. So his entire teaching was on a universal level, meaning that there is no caste, no creed, oneness of mankind. And that is why today when we see the people coming here, it's not just the Sikhs. You have people from all communities coming here because of the universal message. His message was very simple. First thing in the message was always remember there is one Lord. Number two, always work honestly. Number three, share your wealth and earnings with others. His society was one where there was no class, no society of division. Everybody was one. We are in the Gurdwara, we are celebrating his birth anniversary. It starts with kirtans in the morning, and through the day we have kirtans going on here. These kirtans are sung from the holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib. We also have prayers which are part of the proceedings today. The other interesting thing which Sri Guru Nanak started, as you see today, is the langar. Sikhs are very known for langar all over the world. The concept of langar was started by Guru Nanak Dev Ji when he was about 35-40 years old. What is the meaning of langar? Langar main thing is that everybody sits on one platform and eats together. There is no high or low. Everybody participates together and eats the langar. So that is where today we have a universal message, and we have the blessings of him today. And we are, for us, the Sikhs look at the birth anniversary of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji as the most important day of the year for us. And this is where you will see thousands of people. Today we are expecting about 25,000-26,000 people who will come here, also participate in the prayers, go down for langar and go with blessings of the Lord.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today on the occasion of Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birth celebration, which is known as Prakash Purab, every attendant comes to the Gurdwara, and this is basically how they first come into the Gurdwara, and they have to bow their head in front of Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, as we all know, has been the first Guru of the Sikh faith, and all the preachings of 10 Gurus are imbibed in Guru Granth Sahib, which is our living Guru at the Gurdwara. So when we come to the Gurdwara, we all walk up to the Guru Granth Sahib and we all bow down. As you all see that people, all the devotees are bowing down to the Guru Granth Sahib. This is how we pay our respect to Guru Granth Sahib, and therefore we are paying our respect to all the Gurus. Incidentally, Guru Granth Sahib has got preachings of not only just Sikh Gurus, but it also has preachings of Hindu Bhagats and Muslim Peers. This is our Guru Granth Sahib, which we have to bow, and if you can hear the kirtan which is going on, it is all from the preachings of Guru Granth Sahib. All the slokas which are there in Guru Granth Sahib are being sung on the occasion. This is a beautiful view of Guru Granth Sahib, which has been decorated with flowers on the occasion to celebrate the birth celebration of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. The kirtan which keeps on happening, which happens from the lyrics of the shlokas which are there in Guru Granth Sahib. As we walk through, we also see that there is a room where Guru Granth Sahib is rested in the evening, in the night, and then in the morning, it is rested over here. And in the morning, we take Guru Granth Sahib back to the place of obeisance. This is the place where Guru Granth Sahib is kept in an open form for darshan of all the Sangat. As you see, all the Sangat is praying. They are all praying with their closed eyes, praying to God for welfare of everyone. As we all say that Nanak Naam Chardi Kala Tere Bane Sarbatta Bala, which means Nanak Naam leke there is happiness and victory of all. Our main Granthi, who actually does all the prayers of Guru Granth Sahib, is with us. I will request him to wish all the Sangat on the occasion of Guru Nanak Dev Ji.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। आज धन धन श्री गुरु नानक देव जी महाराज, जिनका प्रकाश पुरब, जिनका आज आगमन दिहाड़ा, आज हम अगर जैसे बोल देते हैं नानक जयंती है, तो उस उपलक्ष्य में गुरुद्वारा श्री गुरु सिंह सभा में बहुत बड़ी तादाद में आज जहाँ पे सिख संगत पहुंची है, वहाँ पे हमारे हिंदू भाई भी बहुत पहुंचे हैं, हमारे ईसाई भाई भी बहुत पहुंचे हैं। मतलब गुरु नानक देव जी जो है, उनका जो संदेश है वो केवल सिखों के लिए नहीं था, पूरी मानवता के लिए था, पूरी दुनिया के लिए था। हिंदू, सिख, ईसाई, मुस्लिम सब के लिए उनका संदेश जो साझा संदेश था। तो आज पूरे वर्ल्ड में जहाँ जहाँ पे भी लोग रह रहे हैं, गुरु नानक देव महाराज जी को याद किया जा रहा है, उनके शब्दों को, उनके वचनों को याद किया जा रहा है। उनके जो 3 मुख्य उपदेश थे, किरत करो, सबसे पहले जो किरत मतलब काम करना है। अगर किरत है तो ही हम धर्मी हैं, अगर हमारा कर्म नहीं है तो हमारा धर्म भी नहीं है, तो हमारा कर्म ही धर्म है। ये गुरु नानक साहब जी ने हमको बताया था। उसके बाद वो बोले थे किरत करो, उसके बाद वंड छको, जो आप कमा रहे हो उनमें से जो लोड़वंद लोग हैं उनको भी आप दो। और तीसरा उनका वचन था कि नाम जप करो। ठीक, और सब जो भी धर्म को फॉलो करता उस हिसाब से आप अपना नाम जप करो। तो महाराज ने ईरान, इराक, भूटान, नेपाल, बंगाल, मतलब 4 उदासियों में वहाँ जाके भी मतलब प्रचार किया, जहाँ पे सिख नहीं भी रहते थे, तो वहाँ भी जैसे मक्के में महाराज ने जाके किया, मदीना में किया, बड़े बड़े जो हिंदू मंदिर थे वहाँ जाके भी महाराज ने प्रचार किया। इसलिए किया क्योंकि जो भी पखंडवाद था, ये धर्म का पखंडवाद था, ये इन्हीं चीजों से निकलता था। तो महाराज ने वहाँ जाके सबको सबसे पहले उनको समझाया कि अगर आप सही, अगर टीचर सही है तो वो बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा देता है, अगर टीचर ही गलत है तो वो किसी को अच्छी शिक्षा नहीं दे सकता। इसलिए महाराज ने उन मंदिरों में जाकर के भी लोगों को, धर्म लोगों को भी समझाया था कि हम अगर अच्छे कर्म करेंगे तो हम, जो लोग हमारे पे विश्वास करके हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, हम उनको भी अच्छा सिखा सकते हैं। तो ये गुरु नानक देव जी का जो उन्होंने पूरी जिंदगी, लगभग 70 साल का समय जो पूरी दुनिया के, पूरी मानवता के लिए लगाया, और हम सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं और बहुत बहुत बधाई भी देते हैं, शुभकामना भी करते हैं कि आप ऐसे ही रल मिल के रहें। जो महाराज ने खत्री ब्राह्मण सूद बैस उपदेश चौ वर्णा को साझा उपदेश दिया था। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Shukriya Gyani ji. Now what we will do is we will go out and we will go to the Langar hall where we will see that how the Sangat and the devotees, after visiting and paying their obeisance at the Gurdwara, are going to go down and have Langar with lot of love and affection. The Langar which is made by the Sangat, the Langar which is made by everyone together, that Langar is going to be served to all the people. We are going to personally see evidently that how Langar is being served and how Langar is being cooked, so that all the people, almost around 21,000 people, are going to eat Langar, and they are going to have this with all the blessings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Here we go to the Langar hall. So this is, as you see, this is the Langar hall where all the people who come to the Gurdwara, they have Langar. Langar is the free kitchen where we serve to every caste, creed, anyone is sitting. As you see, everyone is sitting down. No one knows who's sitting next to him, but they all are eating and enjoying the prasad of the Gurdwara. Guru Nanak Dev Ji started this as the three principles of Sikhism: Naam Japo, Vand Chako, Kirat Karo. Kirat Karo is earning a good living. Naam Japo is meditation of God, and Vand Chako is sharing what? Now this is what happens when people sit over there and eat the Langar. Langar, the basic food which is given to everyone. Guru Nanak Dev Ji said that your stomach should be full, only then you can meditate. And this is where everyone comes and has Langar, and they enjoy the food. This is almost a prasad which they are eating.
How many people are expected to attend the Langar?
For the Gurpurab in Bangalore now, since the population has increased, we have almost around 20 to 21,000 people who come during the day, as it starts from 3:30 in the morning till about 12 in the evening. In the night, there will be around 21,000 people coming. As you see, people all eat, and there is one thing about Langar, that Langar is never short. Everyone gets to eat a stomach full. As you all see that even these plates are being washed by the volunteers of the Sangat. Sangat washes the plates and does seva. This is part of seva. This is a voluntarily selfless service in Sikhism which we do selflessly without any policy. All the people volunteers, they are all like you and me.
Well, wishing everyone a very happy Guru Nanak Jayanti. So we are at Gurdwara Al Sur, and the reason why we celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti is because Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday was celebrated today. And what we usually do on this day is we just come to the Gurdwara, we pray in front of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and then we have a lot of other kirtans happening inside the hall. Not just that, a lot of people all around the world celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti, and it is one of the national holidays as well. Well, on this day you can also have unlimited langar available 24 hours, and I'd request everyone to come here and experience this, because this is a one kind of an experience, and that's about it. Wishing everyone a very happy Guru Nanak Jayanti.
This is regarding the Guru Nanak Gurupurab celebration, that how do we start. So in early morning at 3:30 a.m. we would be doing the Guru Prakash, and thereafter there would be the Nitnem, and thereafter the Asadi Bar, and thereafter other programs will keep continuing, and after that, there would be the langar, which is going to be at the start, and whole of the sangat from all around the city will come together to celebrate the Guru Nanak Guru Purab. And they will take the langar of all three types, like an Shabad langar, as well as the langar, food langar. There was the Prashad langar. So all these things go all together. And as Guru Nanak Dev Ji said that Naam Japo, Kirt Karo, Te Vand Chako. So all these three, also that and basic fundamentals goes together, and we whole day celebrate it accordingly.
As we can see, the whole city is celebrating Guru Nanak Jayanti today, and not only the city but the whole world, the nation is celebrating Guru Nanak Jayanti today. They are following his teachings. As Guru Nanak Dev Ji said that Aval Allah Noor Upay Kudrat ke sab bande, which means that everyone is same here and everything is equal. All the caste, creed, everything is equal, and today it is the proof here that they are celebrating this festival, this occasion together and feeding a lot of people. They are expecting around 20 to 25,000 footfalls here. With camera person Faizullah, I am Priyanka from Daily Salar Digital.